welcome to another episode of How to Lose Your Drone. Gonzalo is doing his best to lose 3 action cameras and 1 drone. Here we're gonna have the Action 5, the Osmo Nano, and the Action 4. And it's gonna be tremendous. It's gonna be tremendous. We have 3 action cameras, 1 big ass drone, and we have Gonzalo flying from up there, going really down into a wavy boom. End of the video. Drone lost.
And then we swim, right?
Yeah, and then we swim to save
water.
Cold water into saving the drones. So we're gonna use a 3500 Avonic Roam battery, LiPo, so it can handle the weight and hopefully don't crash. But we're kind of nervous. Are we nervous, Gonzalo?
Yes.
We are nervous. Because mainly we don't know if the mount is gonna hit the propellers. Let me show you. It has this clearance, so the pilot cannot do like very fast turns, or else this will end with a bang, like we announced. So, what do you think are the odds of coming back?
25%.
50-50. Sometimes it's good, sometimes it's not.
But you go anyway, right?
We go anyway, because we promised our audience that we would go. So, let me show you. Okay, so we're gonna use the Action 4, all in manual. So manual settings. We'll put the settings right here somewhere. Okay, somewhere around here in the screen. Here, the settings, and then we're gonna have the new Osmo Nano, and the Action 5. So same settings, same white balance. Hopefully we'll get to see what's in the camera. Right?
Right.
Okay. So right now I'm putting the antennas. I really don't know why, because we're gonna lose the drone anyway. So mainly because the camera is gonna hit the propellers, and we already know that, but we're still willing to try. We are very lucky because today is very windless, and so no wind, very windless, which is a new expression. What was this beef? Oh, it's the Action Nano. Okay, so it's windless, hopefully. Normally this place has a lot of wind.
This is a new kind of English for you guys.
Yeah. It is Portuguese English, yes. No, but honestly, it's windless, because usually it's very windy here. It's horrible to fly, but we still fly it anyway because it makes us a stronger pilots, right? Stronger pilots?
Yeah, getting ready for Madeira in the country.
Yeah, but that is all gone now. Now we're good. Okay, we're good. So I'm flying really safely because we're afraid of the mount. I'm just turning now, as you can see in the video. I'm really turning slowly because I don't know if the props have clearance enough to not hit the 3-way mount. I actually never flew something as heavy. Well, as heavy I have, but the thing is, I don't know if the drone is balanced. It's flying really well actually, but I'm really afraid that if one prop hits the mount, it will just be crumbling down, and then we'll lose 3 cameras and 1 drone in one flight, which is a record for me, even for me.
Even for you.
Even for me. So right now I'm coming around. Going for another run. By now we should see if the quality holds up between the old brothers, the Action 4 and the Action 5, but I'm guessing it's gonna be a close call because the sensors are really similar. What changes is the spec inside, so I'll just do another run and then I'll come back. I'm going around, getting close to Praia da Ursa, trying to keep a safe line. Again, the drone is very heavy. We're back, and I'm just gonna take it around. But I think this is more than enough to check out the quality, because I've been filming against the sun and in favor of the sun, so should have a glimpse of the comparison between the three cameras. Okay, coming back. Down, okay. Coming through my left side. Very slowly. And pushing for a land here in the grass behind me. Really heavy.
So we just landed the drone. How did it go, Maya?
No cameras were lost. The drone is in one piece somewhere around there. And well, I think the test went pretty okay. The drone was very, very heavy. Gonzalo prepped up the whole thing. And
I think it's fine.
before I forget, remember to subscribe. Yes. Yeah. Push the button down there because we're new to this, somewhere here.
Somewhere in the middle.
And we'll see you in the next episode. Cheers.
Bye.